Hello everyone, this is me Masood. This is my first video for this channel and I will show you in this video how to install Mautic on cPanel by just few clicks. For Mautic installation, let's go to the cPanel. This is the main dashboard of my cPanel. Before installing Mautic, you will need to create a subdomain because on the main domain you will need to host your main website. So it's the best practice to create a subdomain for using some other services other than a website. For creating a subdomain, let's go to scroll down to domain section. Click on the subdomains. Type the name of subdomain which you want to create. Click on the create button. The subdomain has been created. For Mautic installation, let's go back to the main dashboard of cPanel. Now I will install Mautic. Scroll down to the software section. Click on the software apps installer. Type Mautic in the search bar. Click on the Mautic. Here are the details about Mautic software, version, release date, and you can also see there many other details like features, screenshots, demo, rating. But now we are going only to install Mautic. So click on the install now button. Okay, choose the subdomain which we have created. We have no need for a directory. Okay, so I am keeping the login details simple for demo purpose. Type the email through which you will receive the installation details of Mautic. Click on the install now button. It will be installed under 1 minute. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, our software is been successfully installed. Now we will access this software to this URL. Click on this URL. For first time, it will take little more time for loading. Okay, this is the main login dashboard of the Mautic software. Okay, this is the dashboard of Mautic. There are many features like contacts, companies, segments. I will make more videos about this, how to use these features, how to import contacts, etc. And I will show in next video how to add your SMTP and how to run your campaigns. So for upcoming videos, please subscribe to my this channel. See you in next video. Thank you.